Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another perfume review video. My name is Naz, this is my channel Toiletterian. I try to bring to your attention fragrances that are usually very good value for money. They smell good. I think at least you should do your research, try them for yourself and see if they're any good to you. So today I have a unboxing and first impression for you, and this is another Middle Eastern brand from Dubai, from UAE, and this is the brand Anfar. They have been around for maybe 5 years or so, and somebody mentioned they are a subsidiary of Afnan. I'm not sure that's the case or not, don't quote me on that. So all I know is they call themselves Anfar London for some reason, but they are based in UAE. I unboxed and reviewed a couple of their fragrances and they were very impressive, so that's why I have to go and see what else they have, and this one caught my eye. I thought I'll go and pick it up. It retails for £85, or if you go to Anfar website, it's retailing for £85, but in the UK you can find it that's about discounted between 40 to 50 pounds, 100 ml eau de Perfume. So medium price point. Anyway, so let's see. Very nice box. It's a very thick cardboard box, so it's a similar boxing to Tom Ford private line, that high-end private line. Details everywhere, attention to details, very good. It's very heavy box, sorry about the noise. And this one in particular is called Anfar London. This one is Imperial, Royal Imperial. It's Royal and Imperial. Wow, that puts it in a very high expectation to call somebody Royal and Imperial in the same time. That the expectation goes to the roof. So cardboard box, as I said, very thick box, and it opens like this, and look at the bottle. The bottle is gorgeous. So it sits in all right, it sits like a, what is it, velvet, yeah. And so very nice presentation, not super top notch, but again, for the money, between 40 to 50 pounds, you're getting a very good presentation. Okay, the bottle is gorgeous, very heavy bottle, super heavy cap. Look at that, that's like half a kilo of cap itself. It says Anfar on top with the logo A, and the atomizer is very modern atomizer, Imperial, Royal Imperial, Anfar London. And let's go with the sprayer. Here we go. Very good sprayer. It gives it basically makes a mist. Very good. Okay, so Anfar Royal Imperial. This is very high expectation. How is it going? First impression. Okay, so similar direction to Creed Aventus, and also it's not as 100% Creed Aventus because it's got a little bit of a leatheriness to it. It puts it in this maybe the same direction as Hatchivat by Nishane. So it's like something between Hatchivat and Creed Aventus. Yeah, I would say a little bit leans right now, the opening, the smell of the opening and the first impression, it leans a little bit more towards Hatchivat, which is darker, fruitier, and also woodier, little bit leathery feel to it. The wood here is doesn't have same effect as the Creed Aventus, that birch, smoky birch, but it's like a woody wood, as if you get what I'm saying. But right now opens up similar, very similar to those two, Creed Aventus plus Hatchivat. Very fruity, very uplifting, very inviting. Actually, the opening is very good. Yeah, the opening is got big, huge bergamot. So at the moment it's bergamot and lemon. I'm not getting that much uh, pineapple. Lemon and bergamot are the biggest player right now. Yeah, very woody, fruity. There is a tiny bit of darkness to it, not much right now, but a tiny bit of darkness. Tiny bit of peppery feel to it as well, so it's a bit effervescent, a bit fizzy. But yeah, very similar to Creed Aventus plus Hachivet by Nishane. So if you like the either of them or a combination of them, or you're looking for an alternative to each of those, Creed Aventus £300. This is around £40 to £50. The Nishane, because it's a 50 ml bottles, they come for £250, £200. £400 for 100 ml, again £40 to £50. So something, it sits between those two, and when you smell it, you immediately will take you to those two. But for what you're getting for the smell, its quality is quite good. There's a little bit of sharpness in the beginning, but not much. It's a tiny bit of sharpness right now, but I'll let you know in the next video the development, the longevity, and the good things like this. But for first impression, for a first sniff, very good. I myself love Creed Aventus, both Creed Aventus and Hachivat by Nishane. The DNA of those two are very nice. All year rounders, especially for warmer weather, but all year rounders, and also very universally liked, very approachable. Nobody dislike those kind of fragrances. Very few people dislike them. Majority of people will like them. So, and this is no exception. So smells good for first impression, first sniff, yes. And quality of bottling and the presentation is much better for what you're paying in between £40 to £50. I'm not sure in other countries how much it will go for, but I'm guessing similar price. So if the takeaway is, if you like Creed Aventus and Hachivat by Nishane, or you want something in between those two, or a combination of the two, but you don't want to pay the premium price, this is very good. It's very manly right now. It's very masculine. I'm not sure if ladies can wear this, but if you like this kind of fragrance, it doesn't mean anything. And I always say this, fragrances, perfumes, scents, smell, they don't have gender, okay? You can use anything you like. If you like a smell, use it. If you don't like a smell, don't use it. It doesn't mean anything, okay? Forget the marketing towards this and towards that. This is all about you, what you choose, what you enjoy, what is your taste, and what is you like. If you like a smell, it doesn't matter who's towards, marketed towards whom. And if you don't like it, again, it doesn't matter marketed towards who or what gender or whoever it is. So at the end of the day, you are the one who decides what is good for you or not. I can come here and explain the fragrance. I can come here and try to convey the message as much as I can, because with the smell, it's not easy to convey the message unless you smell it yourself. No matter how much I describe the smell, it's very difficult to to bring you that imagination how it smells. So but we do our best, okay? So this is the important thing. And as I said, very close to Creed Aventus and Hachivat by Nishane, so you know which way is going anyway. But right now it smells very good, okay? Thank you very much for joining me. If you like what I do, if you find it useful, informative, please use that finger. Don't sit down and exercise your finger. Press those buttons. It doesn't cost you anything, but this way you support me, you motivate me, you give me the encouragement to carry on and bring you fragrances like this in the future. Thank you very much. If you like to purchase one of my fragrances, if you live in the United Kingdom, they are out of this universe. Thank you very much, and I'll see you later. Bye.